All right, bingo. Happy New Year, funnel hackers. From everybody here at ClickFunnels, I got to start it out by saying Happy New Year. What a year 2025 was, and already, just starting January, ClickFunnels already has all of our engineers in-house. We're already planning out the roadmap and the steps we're going to take in 2026. I'm super excited for the year, and I hope you guys are as well. But today is Tuesday, and that means it's a training Tuesday. I'm curious, did any of you not run discounts on this Black Friday and Christmas season? Did any of you not run discounts because you just didn't know how? And now that we're looking back and hearing our friends and seeing all the Facebook posts out there, we're realizing how much we left on the table this season. Today, we're going to smash that. And as always, I have my great friend Aaron with me to help us walk through it. Today, we're going over discounts and coupons. Huh, Aaron?
We absolutely are. Yeah. And I'm excited to talk about it. I have a great story to preface everything with, and then we're going to run through it all. So happy to be here. Happy New Year, everybody. Let's go ahead and jump into it. So
let's do it.
Yeah, let's go. Like I just said, I want to preface this training with a little bit of a story. So I personally run an e-com shop right here on ClickFunnels, and I do it through the store app. I have a ton of products, so things can get very crazy when I need to make universal changes. So what I do is I really try to make sure that all information is finalized before I create that product and put everything in. Now, when the holidays were about to begin, back last October, at the end of October or early November, I told my wife we need to discount all of the products in the shop. So a flat 10% discount on everything. Now, she also works in ClickFunnels. So she told me, hey, I got the time to do that. I'll go ahead and do that this afternoon. So I agreed, right? I appreciate the help. And I went ahead, did whatever I needed to do, and just let me know when you got it done. So some time went by and I thought, that shouldn't take too long, but you know what? I'm doing some things. I'll let her do her thing and she'll let me know when she's finished. So a couple hours actually went by, and then she comes and says, hey, it's all done. Take a look at it. So I hop into the system, and lo and behold, absolutely love what she did, but she went into every single product and adjusted the price. So at the time we had 285 products. So she did all of them. She adjusted all of them. So of course, there's a lesson learned here, right? Of course, it's a hard lesson, but the best lesson, of course, is to use the discounts app within ClickFunnels. So of course, on New Year's Day, what did I do for several hours? Well, we adjusted all those prices back, but then I educated on the discounts app, and that's exactly what we're going to be doing today. So let me go ahead and share my screen here. Here we are, and I'm on the homepage. So from the left navigation bar, I'm going to go ahead and find discounts. You can see it right here. If you do not have the app in your system, just go up to the Add Apps section. I'll go ahead and tap on that and just scroll until you actually find it. If you tap on it, you can just click the Add App button, and that will add discounts into your workspace. So if I click on it, here I am in the discounts, and I can see this is the screen where all of your discounts would live. And then I can create a new one up here in the top right. So I'll go ahead and tap on that. And creating a discount is very, very easy. There's just a few fields here I need to fill out. So the first things first, let's give it a name. Now we're in January, we're past the holidays, but let's just hypothetically say you had a few people reach out and you said, man, I really wanted to pick up what you're offering, and it was on a discount at the time. I didn't have the funds available, but I got some holiday funds. I'm really excited and I really want to try out your offer. Is there any way you can maybe just give us that holiday deal and extend it a little longer? So that's exactly what I'm going to do here. I'm just going to create a January discount. And let's just call it Jan 2026. So this is exactly what they need to type in to get the discount, for it to actually apply in the checkout. And you know what, just for some consistency, I want to go ahead and capitalize everything there. Now, if I scroll down, I can see there's a couple different ways I can discount this: by percentage or by US dollar. So I have US dollar set up in my account. You can set whatever currency is set there, but you can do either dollar or percentage. So let's go ahead and just set up a 20% discount. And then the last box here I want to take a look at is your entitlements. So I could do this to every product in my account, or I can do specific products or a specific collection. So if I want to do products, I can just tap that. And from this bar, I can select the products within my account. Same thing with collection. If I tap on that, it'll show me all of my collections and I can select that to make the discount apply to that specific collection. Let's go ahead and do it to a specific product. This water bottle seems good. And then a few things here on the right. So an active status, or I can schedule this out. So let's say I want this to run from the second week of January to the very end of January. If I tap on that, I can simply open this up and select the calendar. And let's do January 16th. And we set the time. So I'll go ahead and just put midnight. And then the end time, I'm going to do January 31st at that same time. Actually, let's do it at 11:55 p.m. That way they got the whole day of January too. At this point, and then you have some advanced features here. So if you want to require a minimum spend on it, right, I can toggle that and say, well, they get the 20% discount, but only if they spend $50 or more. I can also limit this to a one use per customer. So if I don't want someone taking advantage of this, I can simply tap on that, and then they would only be able to use this discount one time. So I'll go ahead and just untoggle those. Let's create the discount. And just like that, I've already created it. So what? That took me maybe 2 minutes to apply. Of course, it takes a little longer to change all of the prices across all of your products. So this is a much easier way to put your products on discount. Now, let me go ahead and move this out of the way because I've actually already created a discount. So let me go back to this window here. This is an actual account with payments already set up into it. And I've created a Training Tuesday example. The coupon code is Training Tuesday discount code. And I have a $5 coupon on this, right? So it doesn't have a scheduled discount. It's not set dates, but it is limited to one use per customer. And it is the Training Tuesday water bottle. So it's selected as a specific product. Now, I'm going to switch over to the shop here, and this is the exact product page. So here's the water bottle. I'm going to add it to my cart. And now I'm going to go to the checkout. And I'm going to scroll down here. And you can see it's $30 just like it was there on the product page. But if I go ahead and enter that, so Training Tuesday discount, and hit apply, you're going to see that that discount is immediately applied, and the $5 coupon that I had set up back here with the $5 off is applying in this checkout. So that's exactly how you set up a discount in ClickFunnels. It's very easy. It's very simple. It's very quick. So that's how you do it. The last thing I saw Dante pop up there.
Sorry about that. I was muted. Aaron, I'm so curious. How did you get that order form to show the coupon slot? I've been trying to do that forever.
Yeah, that's exactly what I want to touch on because
great.
It's very, very important to notice here. So if I switch over to my editor, you can see from the left-hand side, I'm in the store editor here. I'm on the checkout page, right? And I have this checkout element. I also have my order summary, right? So they work in conjunction with each other. And I can see the actual discount code here, but it's applied in the checkout element. So if I tap on the settings here, it's going to open up. And in these different options, I'm going to go to order summary here. And you can see right here, the coupon field is enabled. Now, by default, this is disabled. So you want to make sure in your checkout, as you set a discount, you want to make sure that people are able to actually enter the discount codes in. So ensure that this is enabled, then save your changes, and you'll have that discount code applied there. All right. I believe that is everything discounts related. So with that being said, I really need to find a CTA because I hit a wall here. So Dante, is there anything you want to share about discounts?
I just want to share that discounts, we've learned from Russell, without urgency and scarcity, our customers will not buy. So if you are finding right now on your funnels that you're having a hard time getting the conversions, getting people to take that last step and say yes, gang, throw a 10% discount on there. Makes people feel special. Who likes to pay full price for a product? Hey, if you enjoy paying full price for products, let me know in the chat. For the rest of us, we don't pay full price. We love a good deal, don't we? Discounts and coupons, you have it in your account. It lets you do it right now, immediately. And Aaron, thanks for showing how to do it on the order form. That
Yeah,
has been
absolutely.
mything me forever.
It is definitely one little thing that is a key detail to making sure that they can apply those. So
And I love how you put your order summary right next to the order form on that page. Looks great. But gang, that's it. Coupons and discounts. Very simple, very easy, super customizable. And this was born by funnel hackers. So this whole show is by funnel hackers for funnel hackers. And this topic today was from a funnel hacker wanting to cash in on the Q4 rate craze. So please, if you guys have any questions whatsoever, anything you're trying to do, but you don't know how to do it, or maybe just an app or a feature of ClickFunnels that you're like, I'd love to know a little bit more about that. And how's it intended to work? When Todd built it, how did he intend for it to actually work? We would love to make a training on that. So please put it down in the comments. Anything you guys would like to hear or see more about in the ClickFunnels software, we would love to show it to you. Aaron, I think that's it for today, though.
that wraps it up. I'm looking forward to seeing everyone in the next Training Tuesday. Thanks for coming.
See you, gang.